There's this widely held belief that cuckoos don't build their own nests. But what if I told you that isn't even 50% true? There are actually more species of cuckoos that build their own nests than those that don't. This crow-like bird is the greater coucal, one of the many cuckoos that are non-parasitic. They are mostly found in the greater Indian region of Asia. Greater coucals are commonly known as crow pheasants. An important note, they're not pheasants. Despite looking like crows, greater coucals are not very aerial and are weak flyers. They mostly feed on insects and small vertebrates, but they are also specialists in tackling serpents. Next time you see a cuckoo, don't let Professor Virus' statement in the movie Three Idiots come to mind. In the greater coucal, we have the rancho.
को धक्का मार के घोंसले से गिरा देते हैं।